Hola! Bom dia! And welcome to the Stormy Saudade Project! Yay! Okay everyone, so Charlotte is in the UK currently, just spent time with friends and family, sort out some bits. She's gone shopping for some new clothes. It's been amazing. I've been solo. I've just been looking after the dogs and enjoying my holiday. She's gonna meet me on this following week, so it's completely fine. I figured before it starts raining, because I chose the worst week of holiday in February because it's just been raining non-stop. Look at these clouds here. They look menacing, but I got a little bit of a break. I had a little bit of a situation at the train station. It was the funniest thing ever. I'll see if I can get some footage of it. Hello lads, another day in Portugal. So I am waiting for the train to get back home, but there seems to be a little bit of an issue here. So the train is supposed to come from here and cross over to this line and keep going all the way to where I live. But unfortunately, whoever decided to park this guy here didn't take into account that other trains might need to use that line. So they just moved it forward. And I actually caught the train from that direction home. And that was not like that. So someone's moved it and they've just left it there. And now you have like the classic Portugal, 5 guys looking, 1 guy is working trying to fix it. So this train that was supposed to be at 1 o'clock, it's going to come at 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So I can either wait, but yeah. So do a little bit of streaming and then I'll rip up some floors, maybe today or tomorrow. I'll just see how I feel. Okay, so it's raining cats and dogs right now, so I need to get back in, but not bad. We can see all the way until here. That was about 10 minutes of streaming, which is not bad. It started raining. This weather is really unpredictable, and I did that bit the other day, so not bad. Hopefully I can tackle this area before Charlotte comes back. I just need 2 hours of sunny day and I should be able to get it done. Neanderthals! Gonna come into the house? You silly cat. Oh, do you want to come into the house, little sausage? Come on, Nubbles. Here we go. Come on, Noodles. You silly cat. Is it raining? guys. So it looks like the storms have finally gone. Only Tuesday, Wednesday, we're expecting a little bit of rain, and then that's it. So just wanted to let everyone know we're completely fine. Our house is fine, nothing happened here. We are protected by most of the mountains and we live in a valley, so we're quite fortunate with the place that we live. But yeah, so I just wanted to kind of show you how our garden is looking, because very soon we should be able to start harvesting some of these plants, and then we can start getting the seedlings ready for planting for spring. We have a lot of this guy, Coronero. Some of them were eaten by insects, but there's quite a few that have survived actually. I'm surprised. They're still a bit premature, but we're gonna let these grow into big bad boys, you know. We've also got some of this Japanese cabbage. Look at this. This is looking really well, or the Korean cabbage or the Asian cabbage, mind you. This is what we're going to use to make kimchi, I believe. So we've got this guy, we have that one over there. We got these big boys. You can see that some of these have survived, but the bugs have started getting into them. So I might have to harvest these with Charlotte soon so that we can make some kimchi. How exciting is that, huh? What else have we got going on in the garden? We've got lots of salsa. Yeah, so lots of salsa here. This has just been with us for ages. It's just never gone, really, you know. So that's quite good. Some of the cauliflowers are doing quite well as well. They're a little bit young, but you know, I think these are cauliflower plants. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, they're still growing, trying their best here. Charlotte's beans situation. It's kind of funny. Looks like the cat's been busy using this as their toilet. But the beans, because the beans are growing here, you can see them. They're doing their best, you know. The beans are doing fine. There's some over there. These here have been hit by the leaves a little bit. So, but yeah, you got loads of beans around. The funny thing, the potatoes that were buried underground, they've just been pushed up. So yeah, we've got loads of beans here. Pretty good. I don't know what she planted here, to be completely honest with you, but yeah, this guy didn't make it, but they seem to be some sort of beans as well. I'm sure Charlotte will put in the comments here. We have a couple of broccoli that's ready to be harvested. Some broccoli here, which is pretty cool. We got more I think this is cauliflower. Again, I apologize if it's not. But yeah, more red cabbage. So as you can see, we still have a lot of stuff that's survived. We have our sage there, which is cool. I'll definitely harvest a couple of these things. Maybe not in this video, but in the next video. So yeah, we still got, wait, my goodness, I almost died there. So yeah, so that's going to be fun. But right, let's get some trimming done, because I've been stuck in the house for like 5 days. I left to go to Fundão once, you know, just to kind of not be stuck indoors in the rain for these whole five days. But you know, yeah, it's been fun. But yeah, it's just been raining. I wanted to do loads more, but I have kind of cleaned the outside and then loads of housework. It's too moldy to actually paint. The room, our dehumidifier is going to be fixed soon, I'm hoping. So then we can actually clean everything, buy some anti-mold spray, clean the walls down so we can paint. Cool. But right, let's get to trimming. Less yapping. Hello everyone, so Charlotte's just arriving home in about 1 minute. I'm going to film the dogs because they haven't seen her for 5 days and they've been pining for her. And yeah, it's going to be fun.
Oh, it smells nice. It's nice and clean.
Oh, house is clean.
I have a feeling I'm going to get flattened.
You are going to be, I hope you're ready.
I'm not ready.
Oh, welcome back home, Dean. House is... Give you a hug. He's back. He's back.
I smell like smelly travelling. Oh.
Who's that, guys? Mommy. Who's that?
Help me.
Push, 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 push. Guys! Welcome home! Alright lads, so Charlotte's back. This is a couple days after because it's been raining.
I didn't
Had to
even get
catch up.
Oh no, I did. We did go to the shop yesterday.
Yeah, we did go to the shop.
Daffodils are nearly in bloom.
Oh!
The daffodils.
Charlotte's favourite plants. The daffodils are in bloom. Oh man, it's rained.
I've never seen the water go down here like that.
Yeah, it's rained so much, so this is actually going into the trees over there.
Damn.
And it's actually going all the way into the fig tree, into our water reserve, which is kind of funny, huh?
It's never been that wet.
Yeah.
That means it's flowing down so much. It's coming all the way to the end of the driveway. Usually it cuts down.
It cuts down there. So I mean, that's good for us. I mean, if we could just make a drain, then we could just water the plants in our garden, you know? That'd be crazy.
I haven't seen what you've done yet.
Yeah.
I've been away.
And Charlotte's been driving as well, so she has to focus on the road. It's been raining.
Well, it was
been
dark,
cloudy.
wasn't it, as well?
Yeah, exactly.
We were very sleepy yesterday. I was very tired after
Yeah.
travelling for about 14 hours. Oh, yes! Oh, babe, you're so close.
I'm so close, right?
Oh, well done.
I wanted to get all this done before you arrive, as the rain.
What, the floods I saw when I was flying in. Crazy. Poor old Portugal.
Yeah.
A right mess.
Yeah. So
You're so close. That big one in the middle we might have to chop by hand, huh?
Which one?
The big, really tall one.
Ah, easy. I did that. You know, the one that was attached to that pole. That's where our internet cable comes through. I managed to chop that with the machine.
Oh, nice one.
So yeah, just a couple of bits missing. I'm very close to the pine tree. You can't see it from this angle, but I made a massive hole. I'm very close to that.
Yeah.
I think another 2 or 3 tries I should be able to get that done.
You're so close.
Yeah.
The thing is, last year we didn't have the proper equipment. Our strimmer just wasn't big enough, was it? But we're hoping we can get this done, and then it's just a matter of just keeping on top of it.
Easy
And it's a much better strimmer. You can see, like, there's a couple of bits that are starting to grow back.
Yeah.
But it compared to what this was like last year, they were growing back so thick, weren't they?
And the most important thing about this strimmer is that it cuts the roots. I've been cutting right into the bottom of the stumps, so it gets into the roots. And then I think the plan after, I'm going to take a break from the mimosas. I keep having nightmares of me literally waking up with all the stumps around me and they're attacking me. So I'm gonna move over to the other parts of the land. On the bottom there, we have our, is it an orange tree?
Big navel orange tree down there. But every year, because it's actually it's the same field where the spring that's on our land, it actually comes out there and floods that bit quite a lot. So the brambles go absolutely crazy. So it grows back so fast. So we'll need to chop a way through to get to it.
For sure, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's going to be the next plan. As you can see, all of the red stuff, I don't know if you can see right in this footage, but all of the ferns have started to grow back as well.
Yeah, it's actually quite warm today. So it's about 15, 16 degrees.
Yeah. It's not too bad.
I think it's where we're changing into spring.
Yeah.
It's gone from really cold to pretty mild very quickly, but it's just wet.
Wet. Yeah.
But we've got a dry end of the week, so we're going to do lots of filming for videos.
Yeah. And on Saturday we're going to celebrate. We're going to celebrate Carnival and Valentine's at the same time, you know. And
it's actually off for both.
I know. And our 10th year anniversary of started dating was on the 6th of February.
Yeah, I was away.
So we're going to be doing 3 in 1. Yay!
Oh, it's still a bit blustery, though, isn't it?
It's not too bad. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my solo adventure. You know, I wanted to get more stuff done, but it was just raining, you know, and but yeah, it was interesting. Lots of time to reflect and catch up on games.
Missed me, didn't
you?
Yeah.
I'm just not as good as cooking as Charlotte is, to be honest. So.
I love you too, babe. Bring me neck. All right.
I'm saying you're better cook than I am. Yeah.
Is that all I am? Goodness sake.
Yeah. Right. Leave a like, comment and subscribe. Leave a umbrella emoji to keep us safe from the rain.
Keep us nice and dry for the last few days. It's already started raining again, hasn't it?
Yep, it sure has. Right. Muito obrigado.
Tchauzinho.